Hi guys, this is Karen. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to create a full face, as you can see now, under $40. Just drugstore products, just 5 products for under $40, $38 to be exact. There is one product here that kind of makes everything so expensive, and it's still drugstore. But I created this full look using 5 products under $40. So if that's interesting, then and you want to see how I created this beautiful look, then do keep on watching. So let's just get started. First product is from Wet n Wild. This is their tinted hydrator. This was only $6.99 at Ulta. I'm going to insert here the prices on Ulta website. So this is $6.99. Mine is in the shade Fair. So let's just get started. I'm going to apply on the back of my hand this tint. I'm going to, well, I think I took too much. I'm just going to, something fell, I could catch it. I'm just going to apply it with my hand and then use my sponge. I'm applying it all over. It just gives a tint, and it's a tint with a coverage. Now this one doesn't have SPF in it. Usually tinted foundations do have SPF, but this is called a tinted hydrator, so it doesn't have SPF. I am applying it all over, including my under eye area. I still have a lot of product, so let's just take everything and apply it on, and look how much coverage this gives. Of course, I'm going to take a sponge and blend everything with a sponge, because otherwise it will look ridiculous. So I'm just blending everything. So this is going to be on, I'm using only 5 products, and one of them is going to be more than $10, but overall the prices of everything else kind of makes everything more affordable. So this is an affordable, quick option to apply your foundation. I also apply the leftovers to the lid. Prices has come up a lot, so things that usually were less than $10 are now more than $10, so it's really hard to find good products that are under $10. So most of the products, as you will see, are less than $10. One of them drags the price up because it's more than $10. So the overall amount is $38, just a smidgen less than 38. Okay, next up is from Revolution. This is the Ultra Cream Bronzer in medium. This one was $8. So I really like this product. I'm just going to take my finger and take this amount. Now, this is medium. For my skin tone, it's a bit too dark. If you are my skin tone, then do choose the light. I chose the medium. I bought it online. I didn't swatch it or anything, so I took the medium, and the medium, as you can see, is a bit too dark. I'm going to go over it with my sponge in a minute, but the initial application is going to be with my finger, because I do feel the cream products work better with the warmth of my finger. and this is very pigmented. As you can see, I just swirled my finger in it, and it's enough for my entire face. And some, as you can see, this color is very what do you do with the sponge? Oh, here it is. This is very dark for me, so I am just absorbing the leftovers with the sponge, so it will not look that dark. Okay, so that was the second product. The third one is from e.l.f. I've used that for a while. This is the monochromatic multi-stick. Mine is in the shade Glimmering Guava. This is how it looks like. This one was $5. Well, I bought it for less, but now if you go to Ulta, it's $5. I think I bought it, it was $3 or something like that. It was over a year ago, but again, prices are going up. This is the shade. Let's just swatch it. This is a very corally peachy shade. Now this is a multi-stick, so I can use it for my cheeks and my lips, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my finger, swirl my finger in it, like that, and add it a bit higher because I want this to double as a highlighter. So it's a blush lighter. As you can see, it's glimmery, as in Glimmering Guava. It is a bit glimmery, a bit shiny. As you can see, it has some kind of highlighting effect. So it is a $5 now. It's $5, and it gives me the blush that I'm looking for, and it gives me the highlighter that I'm looking for, and I'm happy with that. And it's going to give me the lips that I need. My lips are super dry. I did not apply a lip balm because, you know, kind of defeats all the purpose of this video. I think that maybe I can use it as a lipstick and tap it. What do we think about the lip color? Well, first of all, it does not, as you can see all of my wrinkles on my lips, but they are there. What can I do about it? Nothing. Next up is for brows, because complexion is, I'm finished with complexion. I just need to do brows and mascara. So brows, again, if you've been watching me, you know that I'm in love with this brow product from Wet n Wild. This is their Ultimate Brow Micro Brow Pencil. Mine is in brunette. This one is $4.99, which is a great price for a brow pencil. I wanted to say lip pencil, I don't know why, but it's not, it's a brow pencil. I'm just combing my brows up so I can see where I need to fill them in. I'm going to take my little mirror here and just add, because this is a very fine tip, as you can see. Okay, maybe you couldn't, I'm just, now maybe you can see, very thin tip. It's a micro, that's why it's called macro. And I'm just adding hairs where I don't have, well, I have hair, but it's too light, so you can hardly see it. It's there, but I'm just again adding some color. I'm going to now take the spoolie again and go over everything to spread the pencil so it will look cohesive. I love this product so much. Ever since I got it, I've been using only this is the only thing I've been using ever since I got it. I really like it. Okay, for mascara, and this is the priciest. So that was $4.99 and the priciest is $12.99, which is the Sky High mascara from Maybelline. So this is the only one that I have. I kind of stopped buying mascaras, and now I found that I have only 2 or 3 mascaras left, and this is the only one from the drugstore. And I really love it. So I'm opening it now, and I'm taking a small sticker, sticking it here, and writing, if I have with what to write. Nope. Okay, so I'll write it when I'll finish filming. I just write the date so I know when I open it. This is the first time me opening this one, but I already used it before and I know that I love it. I don't remember if it is summer proof. I do remember that this is a very, very good mascara and I really like it. This is too dry, too wet because it's new. I do like it after it's a bit drier. Look at that, look at the difference it gives to my lashes, that here you can't even see that I have lashes. So it gives them a lot of volume. And I think this is a very good mascara. I'm not sure about the ingredients, because I remember seeing a video saying that the ingredients in this mascara are not so good, but I need to investigate about that. But in terms of great drugstore mascara, this one checks the bells. It gives me so much length and volume. Can you see that? Gorgeous. I just added another coat. I love it. Okay, of course I will let you know if it's smudge proof, because usually at summer I have a bit of a problem because I do not powder under my eyes. Even if I'm using a concealer, I do not powder under my eyes because I haven't found a powder that doesn't emphasize my under eye wrinkles. Haven't found. If you have some recommendation, do let me know. This is it. 5 products, less than $40. The only expensive thing was the mascara, which is, I think, very expensive for drugstore. 13 bucks for mascara from the drugstore. I think it's expensive. If I had the Lash Princess from Essence, I would have used that. It's definitely cheaper than that. But this is what I have in my collection. That's the only things I can use and utilize from my collection without purchasing new makeup. Okay, do let me know what you think. This is the final look. Well, you already saw the final look at the beginning of the video. I think it turned out beautiful. Even the lips, it's very, very comfortable on the lips. It's not drying your lips. They're not sticky. Of course, you can feel that you have something on your lips. So if you're looking for something that doesn't feel like you have something on your lips, even lip oils you can feel on your lips. Even lip balm you can feel. I think the only thing that you can't feel on your lips is nothing. So that's just my opinion. Okay, do let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe before you leave. Join my family here on YouTube. I review a lot of makeup and sometimes some skincare, and I do try to upload every other day, even though lately I have a bit of a problems with my videos. I don't know, something in the transferring the files from the camera to the computer, I don't know, something is wrong, because I have had too many videos that I filmed that, well, or missing or can't be opened. I don't know, something is off. So I do hope that I will be able to keep the one every other day. So do let me know if you enjoyed this video. I already said it. So like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe before you leave, join my family here on YouTube, and I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.